Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Bitcoin is pumping right now and we pumped like a 5K move just today. I think markets are starting to come back. Liquidity is starting to flow back into the market, and after running some liquidity below, I think it's time to go up and run the highs, right? So I'm going to show you some levels and some key resistance. I think this resistance that I'm going to tell you right now will be the key for the rest of the month on how we're going to trade with Bitcoin. So if you've been liking my video so far, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. I also have some links below. If you want to support a small channel, make sure to use the links. All right, so let's get into the charts. All right, so this is a pretty nice move so far. V-shaped recovery. We started to bounce earlier today after Trump said, so we started to move after Trump's speech, and it's looking very nice so far. V-shaped recovery. Now, the only problem with this move is we are at resistance. So basically, we are now approaching the POC of this internal range right here. This will be your key resistance level. You also have the previous week EQ and the weekly open right there. So that is what I'm looking at. Like, do we break this and go higher, or do we reject and make it back here at the daily open, or possibly make a new low? So this is what I'm looking at. This weekly open is key for Bitcoin, because if we reject from here, then we're probably gonna come down lower till the rest of the month, till March. But if we break out and reclaim backtest, then there's a possibility that we might finally run the highs here at the monthly open, which is 78K. So this is what I'm looking at. So this is a pretty classic Bitcoin move. After a liquidation event, move down, orders are filled. Breakout traders try to short here. They got trapped, absolutely trapped, squeezed, and then big players take profits. So we form a low range, and then you start to consolidate, waiting for some economic data, and then you finally come down and take all the stops here before the real move. So this might be the real move right now, but I feel like it's still not confirmed yet, just because we're still not above the weekly open. But so far, this is a pretty clean move. If you are long from the lows, congrats. Just make sure to take some profits and protect yourself. Move stop loss to break even. So that is it for this video. It's just a quick update, and I just wanted to show you my key resistance level right now that I'm watching for Bitcoin. It's the weekly open. If we break above it, there's a possibility that we run all the way to the monthly open. So thank you boys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.